Welcome to HomePantry Pro. Today we are looking at a piece of kitchen tech that promises to change the way you cook, whether you are in a tiny apartment, a dorm room, or just need an extra burner for those big family dinners. This is the VBGK Electric Cooktop. When you are limited on counter space, you usually have to compromise on power or versatility. The VBGK tries to bridge that gap by offering an 1800-watt heating element in a compact, portable package. Right out of the box, you notice the design. It features a sleek black crystal panel that looks premium, but more importantly, it is built to be scratch and wear resistant. Let us talk about the performance. One of the biggest selling points here is that this is a ceramic stove, not induction. While induction is popular, it requires specific magnetic cookware. This VBGK model is much more forgiving. You can use your aluminum pans, copper, cast iron, or stainless steel, provided they have a flat bottom. If it can sit on a gas stove, it can sit on this. You get 9 different power levels, which gives you the control you need for everything from a gentle simmer for your sauces to a high-heat stir-fry. The user interface is entirely LED touch control. It feels very modern and is surprisingly intuitive. You can adjust your heat, set a timer, or engage the child safety lock with just a light tap. Speaking of safety, VBGK has packed in quite a bit of tech here. You get overheat protection, automatic shut-off, and a residual heat indicator, which is essential because the surface does get hot and stays hot for a little while after you finish cooking. It even includes specific error codes if it detects voltage issues, which is a nice touch for those living in older homes with fluctuating power. Now, let us get into the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility of the cookware is a huge winner. Not having to buy a new set of pots just to use your hot plate is a massive convenience. The portability is also great. It is light enough to toss into an RV for a trip or to store in a cupboard when you are not using it. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because this is a ceramic cooktop, the glass surface does get hot. You have to be careful not to touch it while in use or shortly after. Also, while it heats up quickly, you should be mindful of the voltage requirements to ensure you are getting that full 1800 watts of performance. In conclusion, if you are looking for a reliable, flexible, and space-saving cooking solution, this VBGK electric cooktop is a fantastic contender. It hits that sweet spot between price, build quality, and functionality. It is perfect for anyone who needs a reliable burner that doesn't care what kind of pot you put on it. If you want to check the current pricing or grab one for your own kitchen, I have left a link in the description.